Hello, everybody. Welcome to iExamB's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. I have recently started a series for the examination Airport Authority of India Junior Executive Law Officer. इसके प्रेपरेशन के लिए मैंने ये सीरीज एक्सक्लूसिवली स्टार्ट किया है लीगल बी चैनल पे. अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, डू सब्सक्राइब इट, प्रेस द बेल आइकन. If you have any queries, you can reach out to us directly in the comment section of this video. You can also email us at hello@iexamb.com. You can also call on 9205524028 or visit our website www.iexamb.com for more details. Airport Authority of India examination for Junior Executive Law which is going to be conducted in 2023. इस एग्जामिनेशन का सिलेबस भी आउट हो चुका है. सो मैंने एक टॉपिक वाइज दैट मीन्स सब्जेक्ट वाइज सीरीज स्टार्ट किया है जिसमें मैं आपको ये बताने वाली हूँ दैट हाउ यू हैव टू स्टडी दैट पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट, व्हाट शुड बी योर एरियाज ऑफ फोकस. अगर आपने बाकी के वीडियोज मिस कर दिए हैं देन यू कैन गो टू द playlist of Legal Bee channel and check out all the remaining videos for different subjects, theoretical subjects as well as statutory laws. We are trying to cover every subject and trying to give you, obviously it is not exhaustive, but this will give you a guideline कि आपको कौन से topics पे ज़्यादा focus करना है. Those topics are having good weightage from exam point of view, so that in each video we are discussing. आज की वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं how to study constitutional law. Please focus on the word constitutional law. Why I am not using the word Constitution of India over here? Because I suggest all of you to start with the basic tenets of constitution and then you go into the details of the statute. It is a Constitution of India is a statute, but it is a law first. This is what I would like to say you here. That's why I have used it. The terminology that I have used here is specifically constitutional law. So you can start with the basic tenets. What is constitution? What is constitutionalism? And especially you have to study that in the Indian scenario. Then you can study the basic introduction about, you have the syllabus part B. This again I have shared here. आप इस PPT को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और इसको अच्छे से रेफर कर सकते हैं कि क्या क्या सिलेबस है. ऑफिशियल सिलेबस है ये, वेबसाइट से लिया हुआ. So in Constitution of India, constitutional law, first you can start with the basic introduction, name, territory of the union, what is named, and yes, focusing on certain concepts like union. India is a union of states. So what we understand about the basic principles that we have in the spirit of the constitution, that's why I have used the word constitutional law here. कि हमें सेलियंट फीचर्स समझने होंगे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के, बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर को समझना होगा. बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर में कौन से सारे प्रिंसिपल्स आते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फेडरलिज्म इज देयर, रूल ऑफ लॉ इज देयर, constitutionalism, all these things we have to understand and then only we can go ahead with the actual text of the constitution. यही सबसे बेस्ट तरीका होगा constitution को पढ़ने का. Then of course the core part of the constitution you have to go into, that is fundamental rights. This is what is the very important part 3 of Indian constitution. That is the reason it is also called as Magna Carta. सो ये तो सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर कोई एग्जामिनर को क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो वो डेफिनेटली फंडामेंटल राइट्स के टॉपिक से पूछेगा ही, मीन्स चांसेस आर मोर. देन कम्स डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी, देन कम्स फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़. ये सारे टॉपिक्स आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो सबसे पहले आपने प्रायोरिटाइज ऐसे करना है अपने स्टडीज़ को कि आपने इन टॉपिक्स से शुरुआत करनी है. डोंट थिंक दैट वी आर गोइंग टू रीच इन ईच एंड एवरी आर्टिकल लाइन बाय लाइन ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया, तो वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. यू हैव टू गो टॉपिक वाइज. रिमेंबर, प्रायोरिटाइज योर स्टडीज़ always as per the availability of time. You have to plan out your studies. Then you can go for part 5 onwards. पार्ट 5 और पार्ट 6 को आप इस तरीके से पढ़ सकते हैं दैट यू कैन डू द मेन क्रक्स ऑफ पार्ट 5 फर्स्ट. पार्ट 5 और पार्ट 6 म्यूटेटिस म्यूटेंडस है. सिर्फ कुछ डिफरेंसेस हैं दोनों पार्ट्स में, बट अल्टीमेटली इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी द सेम ओनली. इट इज़ वेरी सिमिलर. पार्ट 5 precedent, very important topic. In that you can go through the powers of president, judicial power as well as legislative power. So same analogy पे आपको गवर्नर की पढ़ाई भी करनी है. President एक बहुत important topic है. This I would suggest all of you to do very well. Then Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. What are the concepts that are important? what are the appointments that are made by president makes major appointments in the constitution, तो वो तो आपको पढ़ना ही है. प्राइम मिनिस्टर अपॉइंट होता है या इलेक्ट होता है, एंड अगर अपॉइंट होता है तो कैसे होता है, इलेक्शन कैसे किया जाता है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर कैसे अपॉइंट होता है, व्हाट इज द कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, लाइक दिस यू हैव टू गो टॉपिक वाइज, रिमेंबर दैट. Then vice president, who is also acting as chairman of the Rajya Sabha, speaker, these things are very important. Then coming to bills, in bills you will have to focus a lot on money bills. Money bills are very very important. Then money bills, जैसे for example it originates only in Lok Sabha. तो ये चीज़ें जो पिक्यूलियरिटीज़ हैं, ये चीज़ों को पिक करके एमसीक्यूज पूछे जाते हैं. सो ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन दैट. What is ordinary bills? What are the stages through which a bill has to pass before becoming a law or an act? Then coming to part 6, governor, the state legislatures. You can cover same mutatis mutandis as we have part 5 and ज़्यादा फोकस अपने डिफरेंसेस पे करना है. जो चीज़ें पार्ट 5 में कवर हुई हैं और जो चीज़ें पार्ट 5 में नहीं है, जो 6 में है, वो डिफरेंसेस पे अगर आप फोकस करते हैं तो कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली आपका 5 और 6 कवर हो जाएगा विद इन लेस टाइम. Then coming to the court system, Supreme Court as well as High Court, especially the jurisdiction, writ jurisdiction, original jurisdiction, civil jurisdiction, criminal jurisdiction, ये सब आपको बहुत अच्छे से prepare करना होगा. In writ jurisdiction, 32 and 226 do a comparative study. 226 is vast as compared to 32. So according to that, you have to prepare it. Then legislative relations between union and states. That is a very important topic, so that you can study legislative relations. In that how the 3 lists also you will have to refer simultaneously, that on the basis of these the subject matter has been divided and legislative powers have been divided between union and state. Administrative and financial relations, so this part is another area of the constitution which you can refer, especially conceptually this becomes an important part. Then lastly, emergency is one topic, the basic 3 kinds of emergencies, what they are and what are the powers. President rule, what is this president rule, which kind of emergency it is. There are many names that have been given to president rule, state emergency, also known as constitutional emergency. So क्या clause पे कौन सी emergency apply होती है. And then amendment to the constitution, which is one article of part of the constitution, that is amendment. But amendment में आप procedure पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दे सकते हैं, that when ratification of states is required and so on. So अगर इस तरीके से आप constitution को cover करेंगे, it will be very comprehensive preparation for you and definitely you will not get confused, rather your preparation will be done very well. आप भूलोगे नहीं और आप बहुत अच्छे से उसको reproduce भी कर सकते हो paper में. So this was all that I had to tell you about Constitution of India preparation. If you have any queries, you can write to us anytime in the comment section of the video, or you can reach out by any of the modes that I have mentioned over here. Don't forget to subscribe to LegalBee and prepare 50% faster with us for your examinations at iExamBee. Thank you everybody. Have a good day.